like when I put on these wigs, you guys, like I really turn into a bird. I really do.
Dollar though, ain't talking about put it on, put it on, put it on. Dollar ain't talking about dollar ain't talking about dollar ain't talking about
Still bad like a big bitch, 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 like a big bitch. Still bad like a big bitch.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing another hair transformation video. Obviously I'm gonna be showing you how I get this super cute mint green hair. I never did mint before, you guys, and I'm so happy that it actually turned out like the color that I wanted. In my camera, it does look a little bit more like teal, but it is very like washed out in person. Like it's super like pastel-y, which I really like. Also, I show you guys how I style the hair, and of course, how I transform my hair from this girl looking crazy hit to looking like these. So she cute or whatever. I'm feeling myself. Every time I put on a new wig, you guys, it is like literally I'm a whole new bitch, okay? Nobody can tell me nothing, but if I don't gas me, then who will? Okay? Comment down below what you guys think I should name this wig, because she need a name. If you guys want to see, of course, how I got this hair, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching, and definitely before you go, though, hit that subscribe button for your girl. Alright, let me shut the fuck up now and make sure you hit that subscribe button and watch the fucking video. Bye! So y'all already know how we do. Jump into voiceover, and today's wig is from LWigs. Y'all know I fuck with LWigs, one of my favorite hair companies. So they sent your girl a 613 bob. You guys know I love me some 613 hair because it brings out my creative self. And also this package came with a really cute lipstick, so I wanted to incorporate that in this video so that way you guys can see what your package is giving when you get it at your dope. So anyway, this is what the wig came like. She's a long bob, you guys, and like I said, she's 613. So for this mint color, we want to go ahead and tone the hair. So I'm taking purple shampoo, you guys. This is not dye. You guys see me tone hair a bunch of times, and basically what purple shampoo does is just tone out all of the yellow brassiness in the hair color. If you're going for like a more saturated color like red or something dark, leave it as is. But since we want like that icy minty color, I don't want the hair to pull green. So if you like do your color theory, if you leave the hair yellowish and add a minty color, it will like gravitate more towards the green side. So we want to make it more platinum so that way it could give us more of a mint, if that makes sense. So for dye, I'm going to be taking the shade Icy Mint from Kiss. You guys know I'm not really a big fan of these Kiss dyes because they're not as pigmented as Adore, but Adore don't got no mint, so they need to step their shit up. So we're going to be doing the watercolor method, but you guys, there is a but to this. Even though you guys see me do the hair, the watercolor method a bunch of times, this actually was a flop, okay? For once ever, the watercolor method actually did not work for this. I don't know if you guys watched my rose gold hair tutorial. Last time I used a Kiss dye. They're really not pigmented. So as you guys can see, it got like the majority of my wig to be mint, but there's a lot of yellow. So you know we're gonna have to be the OG old-fashioned way. Get rid of the damn water, girl. Even though it's easy peasy, but we're gonna have to, you know, do it the old-fashioned way. So I'm just throwing that dye right on that damn wig because I do not want any of yellow pieces. It was looking crazy hit and I was getting frustrated, not even gonna lie. But since the wig is already wet, it took the color super quick. Like I did this in 5 minutes. You know, even though this is the old-fashioned way and this takes a lot longer, being that we did do the watercolor method first, the majority of your wig is already mint. So you're really just penetrating all the spots that we missed at this point. And don't forget to flip her over and get the bottom, because I kind of forgot to do that and I had to go run back to my beauty supply store and get me another bottle of dye because I kind of low-key forgot to do like the flip side of the wig and I was running out of dye. So in total, I bought 3 bottles of dye. Even though I showed you guys only 2, I had to run back to my beauty supply store and get me another one, bitch, because she was playing to give me this mint color, but she ended up real cute, so it was worth it. So this is what the wig is giving after trial and error. This is what the cap construction looks like. On the inside, there's 3 combs and there's also an adjustable strap. And look how pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. I was so obsessed with this color. I was so happy that it came out actually how I wanted. So moving forward to a week later, you guys, yes, I had to install it a whole week later because I had to postpone the video because if you follow me on Snapchat, your girl just recovered from a damn eye infection. I don't know what was going on. It was not no makeup brand. It was nothing shady, but I slept in front of an AC and yeah, I woke up looking like Mike Tyson, bitch, the next day, okay? So anyways, look at my editing skills, bitch. We bald right now, okay? Y'all know that was lit, all right? And then after being bald, because bald is really a look. Like, if somebody shaved my head in my sleep, I'll still be serving, bitch. Say nothing to me. So anyway, we're going to snap this damn wig on, and girl, she was looking crazy at first. Like when I first put her on my head, I was like, eh. But once, you know, I melted her down. Yes, sis, what lace, okay? I'm so proud of myself because I like really got down my technique of how to install my wigs, and I'm so happy because they look so nice now. You know, when you gotta practice in the beginning, but you eventually get it. But yeah, right now I am gonna actually put this into a side part, and I'm using mousse to kind of like train the hair because it's just all over the place at this point. So yeah, I like to use mousse to do that. And off camera, I did go ahead and trim the ends because even though it was a long bob, it was past my shoulders because I'm really short. So I had to trim it so it could give us bob and not like long hair or medium length hair. Now I'm going in with a razor that I got from the beauty supply store. This is like a razor for your brows, but I love this for making layers. You guys, literally, like if you do not know how to cut layers or if you want quick layers, this is the best way to do it. You just razor it like diagonally away from the face, and it's gonna give you like, you know, that layered look. For this wig, I was going for like messy, but a lot of layers. I was going for like a big bang, a side part tucked behind the ear. Like, y'all get the vibe. And y'all already know my favorite way to curl my hair is with a good old flat iron. So I went ahead and skipped that part because y'all guys seen me do this a bunch of times. But the only thing that I did different as far as curling the hair is that I didn't do it all in the same direction. One curl is like towards my face, one curl is away from my face. So yeah, now that the curls are actually formed, you could kind of like see where you want your layers to fall more. So I just went back in with the razor and did some finishing touches so that way it could look like how I want it to look. I wanted it to also look effortless and messy, you guys, and I like really love that. I like curled this hair like in 5 minutes. It was so easy to curl, but then I realized she was missing something, which is, you know, a flexed baby hair. So I didn't want to OD with the baby hairs because I actually really like the way I installed this wig. So I just added one little swoop because, you know, if you got a side part, you need that little swoop. So damn girl, edges so late they damn near sleep. Nah, one of my subscribers actually commented on my last video and I was crying. So now I've been saying that. Yeah, I'm your sons, I know. So anyway, I'm taking that freeze spray and I'm gonna like make sure that this hair does not move from behind my ear. And I'm using my blow dryer to like, you know, lock that shit in place because we don't want it to go nowhere, honey, okay? So this is pretty much it, bitch. Like, she's coming alive. Now that I'm actually watching the video, she's giving me minty. I think I want to be minty with this wig, okay? Call me minty, bitch. So I'm just scrunching, you know, making it a little bit more messy, adding some volume. And now I'm about to beat my face real quick and hope you guys did enjoy this hair tutorial. All right, prima donnas, another wig slayed. Y'all already know, another day, another slay. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.